SAP S4hana Part 24. How do you set automatic account assignment in MM? Once OBYC settings are properly done, system finds the correct G/L account using the following data. Chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is determined based on plant or company code used in transaction. Valuation grouping code. It is determined based on the valuation area. Valuation grouping code is maintained in T-code OMWD. Transaction key, e.g. BSX, GBB etc. Transaction keys are determined automatically from the transaction, invoice verification, or the movement type, inventory management. Account grouping/account modifier, only for offsetting entries, consignment liabilities, and price differences. Valuation class of material or, in case of split valuation, the valuation type. The valuation class allows you to define automatic account determination that is dependent on the material. This can be achieved by assigning different valuation classes to the materials in Material Master, Accounting View, and by assigning different G/L accounts to the posting transaction for every valuation class. What exactly are the responsibilities of the consultant when working with SAP MM? The most important responsibility of an SAP MM consultant is to see a project through from beginning to end and to make certain that end users of the software are able to successfully implement the software to achieve their individual objectives. I have expertise in conducting a gap analysis of existing IT infrastructure, writing user guides, and creating a workflow that covers the entire order-to-cash process.